In today's virtual habitat chat, we are celebrating World Oceans Day. Here in Michigan, we may be hundreds of miles away from the nearest ocean. However, we are surrounded by other bodies of water, ranging in size from puddles and ponds to rivers and lakes. These water bodies are important habitats for many animals and are an important part of our own habitat as well. For these reasons and more, they are well worth celebrating. Bodies of water that guests can visit at the Detroit Zoo include the Cotton Family Wetlands northwest of the National Amphibian Conservation Center and Pearson Lake southwest of the Arctic Ring of Life. These water bodies provide habitat for a wide range of indigenous fish, frogs, turtles, birds, and invertebrates. The Cotton Family Wetlands is also home to the rescued trumpeter swan Leslie Knope and her companion Ron Swanson. Water bodies that guests can visit near the Belle Isle Nature Center include Lake Muscadet, Blue Heron Lagoon, and the Detroit River. These water bodies also provide habitat for many indigenous wildlife species. One of these species is the mud puppy, a salamander who lives at the bottom of lakes and rivers. From the eastern end of Belle Isle, guests can even see Lake St. Clair, known as the heart of the Great Lakes. While the Detroit Zoo and Belle Isle Nature Center offer incredible bodies of water to visit, you can find equally amazing water bodies without leaving your neighborhood. The Detroit metropolitan area has many ponds, streams, lakes, and rivers that provide habitat for indigenous wildlife, and your neighborhood is likely close to at least one of them. Even a water body as small as a puddle can be an important part of an animal's habitat. For example, puddles provide drinking water for birds, insects, and many other animals. One way the Detroit Zoological Society celebrates local bodies of water is by taking action to protect them. Protecting local water bodies starts with the recognition that they are all connected as part of a watershed, which is an area of land that sheds water to the same place. The Detroit metropolitan area is in the Lake Erie watershed, which means that a drop of water that falls anywhere in Detroit will flow from water body to water body until it eventually flows into Lake Erie. That means that spilled motor oil, littered plastic bags, and other pollutants will flow into these water bodies too, where they can cause significant harm to wildlife. The DZS prevents pollutants from entering bodies of water in many ways. For example, the Detroit Zoo does not provide guests with single-use plastic items like plastic bags, straws, or water bottles that could flow into water bodies. The zoo also has a clean team, a group of dedicated staff who pick up and properly dispose of litter on zoo grounds. On a regular basis, the DZS's green team, a group of staff who volunteer their time for sustainability initiatives, participate in shoreline cleanups on Belle Isle. You can join us in protecting local bodies of water. Like the Detroit Zoological Society, you can avoid using single-use plastics, pick up litter, and participate in shoreline cleanups. Another way to protect local water bodies is by keeping storm drains clear of debris. A third way is by participating in a citizen science program like Adopt a Drain, Adopt a Beach, and more.